Bola, nasa panig pa ng Barangay Ginebra, which is up by 7 points, and Eric Menk is in the ball game. And what a convenience para kay Coach Jong Wichico. You sit your import, you bring Eric Menk in, you already have Rafi Ribes. So such a tall front line. Sandy Salvason, 3.
Nako, 7 of 7. Alam mo 7th heaven dahil 7 straight wins.
Hindi pala, no? 7 por 7 from the 3-point country para sa Barangay Ginebra. It's a 10-point lead. The biggest so far in this game.
Si Richard Del Rosario, hindi ka nanood ng pre-game eh. Pagtatanong, kung ginaglalaro si Benson,
Wala na. Wala na si Benson.
inuwi na, tsugi na.
Ayun, ang first miss from 3-point country. Hildebrand misses. So that's 7 out of 8 from 3-point country para sa Barangay Ginebra, Gin Kings. And you know, heat check yun para kay Hildebrand. Hindi niya kung tuloy-tuloy ang 3-point shots nila. And a miss on that attempt first quarter. Field goals. Di naman ang taas para sa Barangay Ginebra. And they're sharing the ball with a dominant numbers assists department. Really outplaying Santa Lucia. And a very, very poor miss on the part of Santa Lucia on that offensive. So balik ang bola sa Barangay Ginebra. Leading in double figures already. Gusto nilang palakihin yan. Hildebrand eye to eye with Mendoza. They go to Bragiwa. Sunday Salvacion. Catch and shoot. In distance. Eric Menk.
Galing sa labas.
Oh,
Galing sa labas, ito si Eric Menk.
got to the ball much more quickly than anyone else. Pero umapak muna sa labas. Hindi nakapag-establish in the playing area before touching the basketball. Denok Miranda's back in the ball game. Paulo Mendoza sits down for Santa Lucia. Take note that Denok Miranda has 3 personals.
Yun.
Very early in this game. The first quarter, nakakuha ng 3 personals siya. Here's Dennis Espino, make his move against Eric Menk. Scoops it to Da, pero goes awry. Here's Tagiwa, the looper.
That was a 2-on-4 situation, ano? At hindi na naghintay si Mark Agiwa. He missed on the scoop shot.
Joseph Yo. Spin move. Hands in the air. Ayun. Chance for a 3-point play. The Ninja gets a chance for an end-one situation.
And let's see, tingnan natin itong ginawa ni Joseph Yeo. He was up against Mark Agiwa. Nag-hit niya, may sumundot.
Matagal nang ginagawa ni Joseph Yo yung mga ganyang moves, hanging in the air. One of the longest hang time that you can ever have. Ito si Joseph Yo.
Ninja. Ganun talaga mag-ninja eh.
Milipad ng konti.
Ang bata ko, pinapanood ko yun, si Sintaro eh, sa puno, kumapanik yan eh, di ba?
Pero Mintis doesn't complete the 3-point play.
Hoy, kanina mo naman binato yun.
Miscommunication, tumalikod na si Mark Tagiwa. So a chance for Santa Lucia.
Ang titignan mo doon si J.E. Hildebrand eh. Napabundongin niya, sabi, eh dito na ako sa tabi mo eh, ba't pinasa mo sa malayo? Eh ako point guard.
Joseph Yo once again, feeling confident. The spin move, nabasa na. Taps it over to Dennis Espino. Lots of time on the clock. Espino tries to create space. Missing the layup. And then it'll feed to Dennis Espino. Sorry, miss. Here's Hildebrand taking it with the left.
Alam mo sa game 1, si J.E. Hildebrand, hindi rin maganda yung kanyang first half performance eh. Sa second half na lang gumanda eh. Pang-apat ba yun? Hildebrand with 8 points.
Mga drive na ganyan kasi spectacular and using the left hand, you know. That's the nice thing about guys like J.J. Hildebrand and Mark Tagiwa, as well as Joseph Yo on the other end. Spectacular eh. Kaya gusto ng mga fans natin panoorin itong mga player na ito. They don't just make a layup, they create layups. And the miss goes to Santa Lucia. Ito si Miranda. The bounce pass. In traffic, natapik palabas. Ball stays with the green shirts of Santa Lucia. Baseline in ba na mangyayari?
Sabi ni Richard De Lozaro, Steve Benson daw, binayulate yung curfew ng Santa Lucia. Ang curfew daw ni Benson 7 ng umaga.
Ayun pala eh. Nag-violate pa. There's a spin of jumper is in and out. And you know, I'm sure Coach Boyd Fernandez was wishing that ball went in para kay Dennis Espino to get him on track. Pero wala na naman yun. Still a 10-point lead for Barangay Ginebra. Hildebrand's 3, top of the key, doesn't go. Suddenly, they're missing from that area. That's 3 straight misses para sa kanila. Joseph Yo
Siyempre, nasa papasahan dun eh.
putting the move on JJ Hildebrand. In open court basketball, gusto rin ng Santa Lucia yan. Marami tumatakbo sa team na yan. And they'll take it kung ganyan na nga mangyayari.
Timeout si Coach Jung with Chico.
Full timeout call from Barangay Ginebra. So certain substitutions, we'll talk about it when we get back. Ginebra up by 8.
Join the Mighty Bonding Text promo and get a chance to win a Honda CR-V and other prizes. Just buy Mighty Bond 3 grams with a